What is up, divas and divos? It's your girl Nikki, the Deal Funding Diva. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe. But I am Nikki, your Deal Funding Diva, and I show you how to either make money or save money. And today we're going to talk about some side hustles that you probably didn't even know existed. Yes, these are going to be some ways to make some extra money, and not in ways that you might expect. And no, we're not talking about OnlyFans, okay? So, and I'm not going to lie, some of these side hustles are a little strange, but it's okay. I don't judge. You want to make your money, honey. But it is my duty to let you know about these side hustles that exist. Do me a really quick favor before we jump into this video. Do me a favor and hit that like. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And we are going to talk about these side hustles that might be kind of strange right after this. Okay, divas and divos, so I'm eager to jump into this. This is going to be fun. Let's talk about these side hustles that you might not know even existed. And the first side hustle we are going to talk about today is getting paid to lose weight. Yes, there are options out there that will pay you to lose weight. This is actually a positive thing. So I know a lot of people been staying home because Miss Rona has been around. People have been staying in the house more. And what does that mean? You've been snacking more. If you're like me, if you've been eating more, you've been drinking some wine, doing all the things that might not be the healthiest. One option that I found is something called Healthy Wage. Healthy Wage will actually pay you to lose weight. And the more weight that you lose, the more you can get paid. And yes, they will verify that you actually lost the weight, and you can either verify that you lost the weight by using their app or by video. I know what you're thinking, like, well, how much am I going to get paid to lose this weight? Well, from what I saw, for losing 30 pounds, you can expect to make between $490 and $1,149. And another great thing about Healthy Wage is that they are available in multiple countries. So they're not just available in the US. And I know this ends up coming up a lot on my channel where there are international viewers that want to know what options they have in their country. And as you all know, I'm here in the US. So I really don't get to come across all that much stuff that is international. So it works in the US, the UK, Canada, and Australia. And they say you can start making your money right away. So if that's not incentive to lose weight, I don't know what is. So I'm going to link them down below. Plus, I also want you to know about something that I've known about for years now. And it's actually Walgreens has something kind of similar where they will actually pay you to walk around, to actually exercise, to keep track of your daily health goals. So I have the Walgreens app, and in the app, you can go in there and you can put your weight, how many hours you slept the night before. You can allow it to track your steps, and they will actually give you store credit for doing these. And I actually got quite a few dollars from doing that. I actually forgot about it. I have the Walgreens app. It was already in my phone, and I let it track my steps and everything. And I was actually earning some store credits for that. So yes, that is another option. I'm going to link it down below. I forgot what the program is called, but I think it's called if I remember right, I think it's called Healthy Rewards, but I'm going to link it down below. And again, it's through Walgreens, and it's a great option because if you ever go to Walgreens, then you can actually use those credits for things that you're already doing. And plus you get more points if you do things such as adding in the hours you slept or how much you weigh. So don't forget about that one. But yes, you can get paid to lose weight. So the next side hustle that you probably didn't even know existed is actually being a local tour guide. So there is a website called Tours by Locals, and you can sign up for them. And when people visit your town, which likely you're familiar with, you can become their tour guide. And they do require like background checks and stuff like that. But I'm gonna tell you, that still comes with a risk, okay? Take it from somebody that did Uber for a few years. When you're dealing with strangers, you're dealing with some weird people. I'm not going to front. So Just be careful if you do that one. Yes, they will do background checks, but I don't know if they'll do a background check on the person that's hiring the tour guide. So be forewarned. I'm not sure how much they pay. It will depend on your area, but look into it. I'm going to link below and you can make some money. Okay, so this next side hustle, I really didn't know that this existed. So there is a website called Local Hair Affair, and they will actually buy your hair. So if you're one of those people that grow your hair long, trust me, there's a lot of people out there that want to buy some hair. I am one of them. So if you're willing to sell your hair, you will have buyers. Trust and believe that. So Online Hair Affair, their website is claiming that they paid one woman $500 for 21 inches of hair. So again, if you're one of those long-haired people that is willing to sell your hair, you're willing to part with it, then go for it, honey. Go cut that hair off, go bald. I'm going to link them down below. So if you're interested, I'm not judging. So this next side hustle, I've actually heard about this when they released, I think it was like the iPhone 11 or something that they had released, and I first heard about this, and it is standing in line for people. And I'm gonna tell you right now, that is about to be a booming little side hustle, because think about it. How many times have you gone somewhere and you didn't want to stand in line? If you have a lot of time on your hands and you need that money, then you might want to go stand in that line, okay? Bills still need to get paid, however you going to pay them. So one option to sign up to stand in line for people is through TaskRabbit. Yes, TaskRabbit, I've hired people from TaskRabbit. They will do a background check. I've never had any issues with people that I hired from TaskRabbit, and I'm actually going to link TaskRabbit down below. I've actually suggested them in the past for other side hustles, but yes, you can stand in line for people. And think about it. Black Friday is about to come up. Listen, you about to make some bank if you stand in line for people on Black Friday. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You might get in a couple of fights, but hey, you can get that money. So again, I'm gonna link TaskRabbit down below. If you want to sign up to stand in line for people, go right on ahead. Now, this next one, I've met so many people that didn't know that this was a real thing, but I've talked about it on this channel plenty of times, and it is secret shopping or mystery shopping. I like to call it secret shopping better. I don't know why, but I like to call it secret shopping, but mystery shopping seems to be what most people call it. But if you're not familiar with it, mystery shopping or secret shopping is when you pretend that you're a regular customer. You get to go into stores or restaurants or hotels, and I'm gonna tell you, I've made thousands of dollars by secret shopping. You go and you pretend like you're a regular visitor at a hotel, or they even have cruises. Okay, so listen, if you want to make some good money, have some fun, I found some of my favorite restaurants by secret shopping. What you do is you go in there, pretend like you're a regular customer, and afterwards, you have to do a report. Some of them you don't even have to do a report. Some of them will require you to just take some photos. And plus, right now, I know in my area in Philadelphia, they are looking for a lot of secret shoppers for a lot of gigs. So I'm going to link some of my favorite secret shopping companies down below. And again, I've mentioned them several times on this channel. I have information of secret shopping, how to get into it, how to make the most money secret shopping. And I'm not going to get into that stuff here because I've done all those other videos. So head on over and watch those. I surely had a lot of fun making this video because researching this was pretty darn fun. I'm like, that is a real job. And that's not it. There are plenty more options. Drop some tea emojis down below if you made it this far in the video, because I appreciate you. And if you want some more tea on some more side hustles that you probably didn't even know existed. So I wasn't sure if you all wanted to know more about these or not. So just drop those tea emojis down below if you want me to let you know some more, because I got some more for y'all. Trust and believe. But in the meantime, I'm about to peace out on this video. Don't forget to show me some love, like and share. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications.